TrueMate welcoming all of you in the demonstration video of automatic Brinell hardness tester for large and heavy jobs. This design is superficially intended for the testing large workpieces, giving it an edge in versatility for testing components like engine blocks, heavy duty gears, or large metal plate. This machine can handle it all. This is fully automated closed-loop sensor control technology to ensure accuracy throughout the testing process. This advanced technology continuously monitors and adjusts the test force, eliminating the inconsistencies that can arise with traditional weight and lever system. This machine also comes with a digital hand remote controller to control the testing and machine operation. For tearing the load and displacement, for start command, return command, for the movement of middle crosshead, fast up, fast down, slow down. All operation can be controlled from the digital hand remote controller as well as from the software. For the measurement of Brinell impression, this machine comes with automatic Brinell impression system. After taking indent from machine, user can directly measure the impression using the Brinell impression system. There is an auto measurement tool available on the software. When user click on it, our software will automatically detect the impression and give the hardness value. In fact, this software also generates report automatically after measuring it. This type of report will be generated by the software. Now I am going to show you the operating procedure of this machine. Firstly, we need to place the job on the base of the machine. After placing the job, user can set the middle crosshead from the hand remote controller. Then user need to clear the displacement and load. Then they need to click on start command. When the start command applied, the machine will automatically apply the 3000 kgf load, hold for the dwell time and unload. After completion of testing cycle, user need to remove its job, place the measurement system on the impression. Then he need to click on auto measure and the software will automatically give the hardness value. Observed hardness value is 194.6 HBW and the block is 194 HBW. For more information or a personalized quote, please contact with us on our mail ID sales@truemate.in. Thank you.